Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix Grindr something went wrong. First, make sure you open your Wi-Fi connection or open your data. And after that, go to application Grindr, press it too long, then at the top, click this icon. Then, go to storage. And then clear cache and all data. Then let's proceed and back to the Play Store. And then click uninstall. Don't worry, I will reinstall it again to resolve this problem. And that's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!